Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can connect a domain to a Lovable website or app, okay? Now the first step is going to go to our website or app as you can see in here. Now every website and every application in Lovable is going to come up with the default domain, which is going to be, a domain given by Lovable, okay, which is actually free, but you can actually change it. How are you going to do this is by going to publish in here, as you can see, and we're going to click where it says custom domain, and you're going to click in here, right? Amazing. Now this is going to open the project settings, which has like many different tabs, but we're going to focus on the domain section. What I want you to do is I want you to either click on purchase new domain or add existing domain if you have one already bought, okay? The purchase new domain is going to allow you to buy one domain if you just click on this little button here. Okay, a window is going to open and you're going to be able to click or to buy a domain. Now, if you already have a domain, I recommend you click on connect domain, and that's going to take you to a page where you're going to be able to connect it very simply. The only thing with this option, guys, is that you actually need a pro plan that is going to cost you $25 a month. But yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks so much.